In this video, I would like to share to all of you about how to make a curved roof in SketchUp. Okay, first of all, you have to make a curve, a basic mesh of the building. For the first, uh, you can use a 2-point arc. Anyway, you can use this 2-point arc, and then you can adjust the bulge anyway around any size as you want. Okay, and then you can offset it for just any size as you want anyway, as proportional as possible about the building dimension. So you have to complete the basic pattern of the shape, and then you can set the building height around maybe like this. Okay, and then you can just make it group, and after that you can make a center line of this. You can make a center line of this, and you can use this tool. You can use offset of this and position it on a middle position on the building anyway. Okay, and after that you can make a roof. You can make a basic roof of the building anyway. And first of all, you can make sure that it was parallel with a green axis or another axis to make you easier to make a roof portal anyway. Then you can just click this object and rotate it by following the green axis, something like this. Okay, so you can see it. Okay, and after that you can offset this basic plane. Okay, you can copy this basic plane. For the first, you can just click and then select it, copy, and then you can edit and paste in place anyway. Then you can move it to the upper position or upper more above this basic mesh building. Okay, and after that you can offset it in outside to make a roof extension around maybe as proportional as you can anyway. And after that you can erase some unnecessary line like this, and then you can make a protector to make a guiding line. You can set the sloping of the roof anyway. For example, I will like to type 40°, and then you can set this another side with a 40° also. Then you can move all of the guiding line to this endpoint and on this right side endpoint, and then you can make a line. You can using a line to make a roof anyway. So and then you can just erase this another line. Okay, something like this. So you can just release this two object, the line and the plane. Okay, the line and the plane, and then you can select this line, and you can using the follow me tool to make a roof. Okay, so you can get it, and after that you can make it group. Okay, and also maybe you can make more aesthetic for this building anyway by deleting this center line, and then you can offset it again. You can offset inside as proportional as you can, and then you can push it up. You can push it up, maybe something like this, and then you can maybe you can add some material to make this iconic building. First of all, you can assign the roof material with this material maybe. Okay, and then you can assign the another material on the bottom building. You can set this to make a basic material of this concept building anyway, and then you can set the another material on it. Maybe you can set this, you can set this, and then you can adjust this area to be a glass material, so it will be just conceptual design of the building. It not detail, but it represent enough about the building design for your design anyway. And you can add some landscape element with a circle. Maybe you can adjust the landscape element in this area, and you can offset it again with offset tool, maybe something like this, and then you can adjust, you can offset again. Okay, you can assign with landscaping material, so you can explore about the another element material to make your design concept are beautiful anyway. Then you can select landscaping, and you can choose this one to make a landscaping, and after that you can adjust the color of this landscape with RGB option, and just move it to the right at all or left at all, and then you can set the brightness of this landscape, and also you can make a component. You can make a component with this option. Okay, you can make a component with this option. You can add some people or silhouette people, something like this. Maybe you can add silhouette people. I imagine that this is some public building anyway, so we can add a lot of people right here, and then you can also assign a tree on another position. Maybe you can use a click and just press Ctrl to duplicate it. Okay, so you can see about this. Okay, and then you can make another color for the tree. For the tree, you can set this color maybe for the tree. Maybe you can set for this color or another color as you want, as comfort as you want anyway. And also you can set the opacity of the tree, so it will not be distract for your building design in this area. Okay, I think it's enough. I hope it will be great advantage and benefit to all of you, and wait for my next video. Thank you.